Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to rank up 5 my most favorite chatbot platforms. It will be Ebi AI, ProProfs, Chatfuel, MobileMonkey, and then Aivo. Let's go with the Abai first. We'll go through some pros and cons. I will tell you more about these products, and in the end we'll try to compare them price-wise. So let's start with Abai, as I said. Ebi have created their own advanced conversational AI platform that comes with a free trial. This experienced team develops advanced AI assistants that help people do all sorts of things, like finding recipes, booking appointments or tickets, or sorting out travel plans on the go. Ebi AI create novel chat and voice experiences across all channels with AI assistants that go far beyond your basic frequently asked question bot. You can set up your AI assistant online, and your first couple of weeks of using the platform are free. So you can see how you like it. The best bit is with Abai AI, you can get as deep into conversational AI as you want to go. Their platform has everything you'll ever need to grow your AI assistant over time, including live chat and integration with other business systems you use daily. They are not tied to any AI provider, plus there's a bang-grade security throughout. They are very fit with what they are doing. They are meant to be for all kinds of businesses, so you can really get advantage by using Abai compared to any other platforms or any other chatbots. Let's jump into ProProfs, which I really like as well. With ProProfs chat, you can engage your customers with predefined messages from ProProfs chat, so that you never miss out on any of your prospective customers. It also allows operator to operator chat, which lets you new chat representatives stay connected with experienced ones. The customizable chat windows are ready-made chat templates, leave a lasting impression on your visitors. ProProfs chat also allows you to understand the behavior of your visitors by tracking and monitoring them on a real-time basis. You can also monitor your real-time conversations, as well as track the performance of your operators and offer them feedback in order to improve their efficiency. As you can see by the customers, they can handle even the largest of the enterprises, and they're very well suited for freelancers as well. They're providing very comfortable 24/7 live support, and you can run them on Android, iOS, and install them on Windows and Mac as well. For pricing plans, we can go basically by Essential plan, which is $10 per user per month if you want to be billed yearly. Then Premium, which is $15 per user a month. And if you are a really big company like enterprise-wise, you can get in touch with with the sales of ProProfs, and they will tailor you the option just for you. So the next one on our list is well-known Jetfuel. Jetfuel is a no-code bot building platform that enables individuals and enterprises to create AI-powered conversation chatbots in real time. This centralized chatbot platform turns out to be great help for Facebook and Instagram messenger services, enabling users to streamline automated conversations in an efficient manner. Jetfuel, with its integrated technologies, turns out to be the best choice for renewed international companies like Greenpeace, Nissan, Nivea, MSNBC, and National Geographic, among others. With a feature built for convenience and versatility, this chatbot platform allows users to create an approachable brand image. Jetfuel services offer 24/7 instant responses to customer queries with an 80% resolution rate, enabling brands to retain customers effectively. With a comprehensive library of templates to choose from, users get to customize the platform as per convenience and reflect on their brand's theme in an efficient manner. Moreover, the chatbot also helps users attract leads and convert inquiring individuals into paying customers with immediate engagement. As a cost-effective platform, Chatfuel allows users to let chatbots engage in conversation with prospects, solve their issues, and encourage product-wise sales automatically. They are not that well suited for freelancers, but for every single other type of company, they are really a blessing, let's say. They are offering free trial, freemium, subscription, and also a quotation-based pricing plan. You can go with the trial, which is completely free for 50 conversations. Then Entrepreneur, which is also $9.99, Startup, and Small Businesses, which is $0.03 per conversation, 0.06 per extra conversation, and priority support. They can also handle enterprises, but you have to contact them and ask for their point of view on your problems or your solutions. The next one on the rank 4 is MobileMonkey. It's an advanced messaging platform for businesses that helps them in marketing and customer support through instant chat facilities via Messenger, native web chats, and SMS. The platform automatically qualifies leads, engages customers, and converts them into clients with multi-channel chatbots using its OmniChat technology. The integrated OmniChat bots functions 24/7 across Facebook's 2.3 billion user profiles, native web chat and SMS messaging attracting the maximum number of customers to user stores. Further inbuilt chatbot tools offered by the solution are Chat Blaster, Chatbot Builder, Chatbot Analytics, integrations, and chat drip campaigns. The technology also enables marketers to write a single chatbot funnel that works flexibly across different messaging platforms. MobileMonkey helps to expand service offerings by replicating powerful marketing funnels across clients. The platform can be connected to CRM, event platforms, email, and more to increase engagement and reduce lead generation costs. Users can also view and reply to incoming conversations from leads and customers in one place. They are made for all type of companies. You can run them on Android and iOS, and it's really, really, really nice. When we check the pricing plans, we can just learn more, but let me show you what I found. They are offering freemium, subscription, and quotation-based programs free, then the Pro option, Pro Unicorn, and then the Team. The free can send a credit 1,000 a month, MobileMonkey OmniChat, Contact Leads Unlimited, and also the add-ons. And more than you can get, it's like it's a part of it's a MobileMonkey, so you can really get a lot from them, and they will try to answer all the questions that you need, and I'm more than certain that they will serve you to your satisfaction. Then we have the last one, which is Aivo. It's the leader in Latin America, with offices in 9 countries. Last year, Aivo handled 120 million conversation in English, Spanish and Portuguese. You can start and continue conversation on any channel with a unified experience. Aivo's AI bot adapts answers automatically across all messaging channels for instantaneous and seamless service. Chat with your customers in real time or asynchronously on your messaging channels from a single platform. Live agents can answer questions coming from web chats, mobile apps, Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. Also for all the companies or the biggest of the companies, and also for Spanish speakers, which is really, really nice. That's why it made it the top 5 list, at least from my point of view. It's a little bit more expensive, but you can get a 30 days free trial. It works for all kinds of companies. We can start at 99 a month, then for 49, and for business or enterprise, you can get a quote, and then they will tailor you the option for you. So those are my top 5. I would start with Abai and then go to the right with the free options and find out if they are really the ones for you. If you have any more questions, please leave them underneath this video. Leave a like and subscribe if you are satisfied with this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.